Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing the M series into the Hilux, the M70 in 2011 to 2015 model. Alright guys, so first thing I'm going to do is, just want to take off the dash. Obviously, there's removal tools, so just around here lightly, just pop it off there. Same around here, all the way through, being careful so you don't break anything, obviously. Okay, so once you've got the fascia part plug off, you have your AC plugs and all that down here. So what you want to do is obviously you want to just remove those gently, so your whole fascia will come off. Okay, so once you get your cluster out, you see there's 4 10mm bolts just in there, which you have to undo to get your original unit out. Okay guys, so in the kit, you get your main 20-pin harness, with obviously your auxiliary wires there, and then there are camera cords there. Obviously all your plugs there for all your factory plugs. They will each only fit into your original plugs. You've got your 3.0 quick charger, your 4G antenna, your GPS, your scan tool, which is your OBD2, and all the extra wiring you need, which is in there for like your USBs, your auxiliaries, and all that kind of stuff. Alright, so we've just got the power cables connected up. So what I'm going to do is just to give the unit a quick test. Cool, as you see, it boots up. There you go. Your radio, the antenna's not connected at the moment. Cool. Okay, so we found out this is a higher end model one, so it'll have your factory USB, which is that part down there. Our kits fortunately come with the USB retention, so all you do is plug that in and obviously plug that into one of the USB plugs that will come with your kit. Alright guys, once you get everything plugged in, testing in, give it a bit of a test, you know, with your steering controls, make sure they all work. You may have to teach steering controls, just go into settings, car infotainment, steering controls, you can see. Just press your volume down and it'll start flashing, and then you press volume down. Yeah, okay. So yeah, there you go. You see volume up, volume down's working, volume up, the steering wheel control. There you go. Just do that for the rest of your buttons and you'll be fine. Alright guys, for your quick charger, what you want to do is just pop it up around the edge there. After it's got it popped in this slot here, it's easy, just fit it. Push it easy through there, and you can easily feed your USB that comes in it easily up through here, which you'll plug into one of your 2 USB slots.
So there's your a quick charge port there. You can either put it there or over here. That fits into those rocker things, so obviously those just pop out like we popped them out before. We normally have the piggyback onto the back of the cigarette plug, but the one we had here wasn't correct, so we'll see if we can get that in the future. But so all we did is we've just taken it off our red wire here and a ground wire, so like ACC and ground, and then we'll come out here. So that's what we've done with a little SPR connector, and that's gone down to there. And then the other end is like the USB. That's just going to plug into one of our USBs coming at the back of our head unit, and that just that means you have a flush USB there. And then like this model actually had the so it's like the factory USB too. So we've got the USB retention cable plugged in, so you can have both your USBs there. So now you've got obviously the factory fascia here and like our fascia. So there's a few things you have to come off. You got to pop off all these little yellow clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they will slide onto our one in the same position. And then obviously the aircon vents have to come out, and they just have some clips on the side here. You can see, just need to pull back and push from the front, and they will pop out and go into our head unit. And the other thing is you've got your 2 switches here that need to pop out and go into our one.
Alright guys, so next thing you want to do is you want to take off these little clips here to put onto the new fascia, and same thing as your hazard and your AC switches. You see the little plugs there, the clips there, just plug them out, good. Alright guys, as you can see, you got the vents back on, got the plugs back in, so the clips, and you've got your hazard and AC switches back in there. As you can see, all there, it all fits fine. I've also chucked the sticker back on there, which is easy. Just peel it back and just put it on the front, and just make sure you get it firm in and put it in. Alright guys, so this is your 4G antenna. So what you want to do is you just want to find a safe spot up under there, which you can just tuck anywhere, hide away. Peel back the sticky plate, obviously, and yeah, then you've got your 4G SIM card. So what you're going to do is you're going to tuck it just down through here, under there, and it's going to come out into your glove box just down there. Same as your single USB. Just grab that. That's just for your later on. And the dual USB one, we're going to have plugged into your retention, which is your factory USB, and then the one from your quick charger there. Cheers, guys.
So I've just put the rear camera in like the middle up here, just above this toe ball. Haven't got too serious about it here because there's a bit of like damage on the back of this tray, so it's going to have to come out. So I've kind of just like temporarily put it there for now. But sort of what I want to explain though is we just use our like SPL connectors here, and you just tap into your reverse light positive and light negative. That was all pretty easy. And that like powers the camera from there, and then the cable we've just like run down the chassis rail, back down, and like popped it up under the driver's seat. All cars pretty much have a grommet underneath the driver's seat there. So that's reverse camera. If you don't have a factory one, that's just the aftermarket one not fitted. You can put that wherever you want and do it however you like, up to you, but it just takes power off the reverse lights.
Hey guys, as you can see, it's all put back together now. Steering wheel controls all work for your volume. Oops, wrong one, that's your selection. As you can see, your selection all works. Just gotta tune the signal in. There you go. Volume up, down. Just chuck it in reverse with your reverse camera, trigger up. There you guys going. And there you go, that's the 2005-2011 Hilux. Cheers guys.